COE-GE3171 Problem Solving and Python Programming Laboratory. Exercise number 2C. Distance between 2 points. Let's see the concept of finding the distance between 2 points. The Euclidean distance formula is d is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole squared plus y2 minus y1 the whole squared. Let's take the 2 points. x1 y1 value is 3, 2. x2 y2 value is 7, 8. Between these 2 points we are going to find the distance. Let's apply the value in this formula. Square root of 7 minus 3 the whole squared plus 8 minus 2 the whole squared. It is calculated. So 4 squared plus 6 squared. The answer is square root of 16 plus 36. Sum both the values. Then you will get square root of 52. The final solution is d is equal to 7.2111 and it will be continued. Let's see how to apply these concepts in programming. First, import. Import is a keyword that is used to include the module. We use that import, and math is a module. Next one, x1 is equal to int input of enter x1. That input function is used to taking the user input. Whatever you are providing as an input, the Python takes as a string. To calculate the distance between 2 points, we need only the integer value, right? So, the string value wants to be converted to integer. So that here int type conversion is used, right? Then likewise we can get y1, y2, x2 values. These are all variables. Next, distance. It is a variable. After the calculation completed, it will be stored in the distance variable. So, distance is equal to math. The module name is math dot square. Inside the math module, there are so many functions like factorial, GCD, square root. Here, we taken that square root. So, for accessing that function from the math module, we need to use the dot operator. See here, math dot square root of x2 minus x1. To use that power, for using that power, we can use double star 2 plus y2 minus y1 the whole squared. Then finally, the distance will be calculated. It will be stored in distance. Then print distance equal to distance variable is called here. See the output. Enter 1, the value is entered 7. Enter y1 8. Enter x2 3. Enter y2 2. The calculation is computed and the final result is distance equal to 7.2111. It will be continued. Let's see one more program, the same concept, but the input is already initialized. In the previous program, we get the input from the user, but here directly it is initialized inside the program. So, import is a keyword, math module, P1 is equal to 4, 0. Then P2 is equal to 6, 6. The value 2 points is taken. The value is applied in the formula math dot square root of P1 of 1, that is by using the index value. Then only we can call the particular data. So P1 of 1 is value is 4 and P2 of 0, that value is 6. That will be applied here and double star 2 plus P1 of 1, the second position, that is a 0. The index value always starts from 0. Then minus P2 of 1, it is 6. It will be applied here and double star 2. After the calculation, it is stored in distance variable. Then print distance. See the output 6.324555 and it will be continued. Let's see the lab program. Exercise number 2C, distance between 2 points. Aim. First you want to write the aim. To write a Python program to find the distance between 2 points. Algorithm. Step 1. Start the program. Step 2. Import math library. Step 3. Take 2 points as input. Step 4. Calculate the difference between the corresponding x coordinates, that is x2 minus x1, and y coordinates, that is y2 minus y1 of 2 points. Step 5. Apply the Euclidean distance formula. Square root of x2 minus x1 the whole squared plus y2 minus y1 the whole squared. Step 6. Print the distance value. Step 7. End the program. Next, you want to write the program. Import math. The point 2 points is taken and it is applied in the distance formula. Distance equal to math dot square root of that P1 of 0 minus P2 of 0 double star 2 plus P1 of 1 minus P2 of 1 double star 2. After the calculation, value is stored in distance variable, then print distance. See the output. Output is 6.324555. It will be continued. Let's see the execution part. In the description box, I given the link how to install Python. You can refer that. Now open Portable Python. Here click Ideally Portable. Then run. Python shell is opened. Click File, New Window. Here type the program. After finish typing the program, click Run, Run Module. You will get the output 6.324555 and it is continued. Result of this program. Thus the Python program to find the distance between 2 points was written and executed successfully. I hope you all understood very well about the concept of how to convert the string to integer and how to get the value from the user and also how to calculate the distance between 2 points. Thank you.